Hi, my name is Dr. Ivona Igerts. I'm a aesthetic and anti-aging medical specialist working at EF MEDISPA. I am in aesthetic medical field since the year of 2000. And today we are going to discuss killer jaw treatment. So the treatment addresses the concerns first signs of aging in the lower facial third, which is jaws, skin laxity, and it's highlighting the lower facial third, so making a profile and semi-profile outstanding. So for these treatments, young girls are very suitable from 20 to 30 years old. They just need to enhance or highlight their lower facial third. And as well, it's very good for the older generation with sagging skin and developed jaws. To highlight the lower facial third, we use botulinum toxin, we use dermal fillers, usually like 3 ml. Everything is done under the local anesthesia or under simple cream numbing. So the procedure itself is not painful at all, and the results are pretty much visible as soon as the treatment is done. Injectables are not going to affect any jaw movement, so all the movements are preserved as before. Everything is going to be very organic, very subtle. You will just have beautiful profile and semi-profile. There is no special need for preparations before the treatment. Just stay away from blood thinners like aspirin, like vitamins, and everything is going to be fine. There is no downtime at all. So it's literally a lunch break procedure. The results nowadays with very sophisticated materials which we use can last up to 2 years' time. Well, sometimes top-up is not needed at all, but it's good that clients come for a follow-up every 6 to 7 months. You should come and have a consultation and a killer jaw treatment at EF MEDISPA because we are considering your safety before beauty, and here you can get always the best result. All the treatments we do are individual, bespoke treatments, and you are dealing with a professional team of doctors and nurses.